there, good looking people. It's your girl, Patrice. So I'm going to start off with this really short story. Someone reached out to me about one-on-one coaching services. This person had a brand new consulting business and they were interested in attracting clients. When I was explaining to the person what you need to do in order to consistently attract clients, that person wasn't really trying to hear that. So I'm here to share with you 4 tips, very broad tips on some things to consider when you first launch a consulting business or any freelance business. Number 1, you really need to understand your target market. We hear that all the time, but it's true. You need to understand who they are, how they typically buy services, and what their pain points are. Number 2, you really need to understand that your solution, or whether your solution is really aligned with what they're looking for. Number 3, you really need to get out in front of them. That means you can't play small, and there are a number of ways that you can do that. Number 4, you need to build assets. And again, there are a number of ways that you can actually build assets and different types of assets. So just wanted to share that story and those quick tips.